You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American, I believe, OM, or poet, essayist, and playwright. If you want to learn more names from literature, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons, all of them that are confusing. At the end of the video, more pronunciation. Thomas, you probably knew that. Stearns, okay, Stearns, with a Z sound at the end. Eliot, not Eliot, Eliot, okay, better known as T.S. Eliot. Thomas Stearns Eliot. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.